In the remote outback of the 1880s, survival relies entirely on the strength of your own two hands. Meet Jack. Out here, a man is his own carpenter, blacksmith, and engineer, out of pure necessity. Every timber frame and floorboard is shaped by brute force, precision, and an unyielding will to build. Every timber frame and the boundary means wrestling heavy-gauge wire beneath a punishing, relentless midday sun to secure the livestock. When tools break, there is no supply run. You fire the forge and hammer out your own solutions. Water is the lifeblood of the station. There is no maintaining the windmill ensures the flow never stops in dry seasons. From heavy iron to cracked leather, absolute versatility keeps the horses moving and the station running on schedule. Transport relies on constant vigilance. Reinforcing a wooden wagon wheel prevents catastrophic failures on the harsh supply trails. Even after sundown, the work continues. Planning the next expansion requires foresight, calculation, and quiet evening discipline. The reward is a harsh but beautiful independence, forged entirely by the resilient spirit of the Australian pioneer.